Today, we're honored to cut the ribbon and celebrate the launch of Alaska's first community solar project. Our members have been asking for ways, how can we incorporate more renewable energy into their own energy mix? And this project delivers on that request. We're here to celebrate the completion of a fully operational project. The project has a nameplate capacity of 500 kW, as well as about 260 Chugach members have signed up and subscribed to the program.
I am a strong believer in the need for us to develop more clean, renewable energy that does not destroy our environment, which especially in Alaska is one of the things that makes Alaska so precious.
My next door neighbor's a lineman, and I told him I won the lottery. And he thought I won like a lottery of billions of dollars. I said, no, I won a lottery to get 5 solar panels, and I'm just super excited about it.
This project, your project, is proof of what we can accomplish when we work together. And here's the good part. You could participate in solar power. You don't need to install anything on your roof. This is solar power, solar energy made simple, accessible, and community-minded and driven.
These projects are really just a starting point. We're looking at adding utility-scale renewable projects. We're also planning for a second community solar project. And with a waiting list of about 50 members, we know there's room for more. Importantly, Chugach remains committed to expanding our renewable energy portfolio through projects that support our mission of delivering reliable and long-term power to our membership.
Well, I'm super excited because I'm a low utility user at only 300 kilowatts a month, and with 5 panels that pretty much can cover my utility usage, and low cost electrons and low capital investment for the next 25 years. This is the wave of the future for Alaska and America.
When we first began exploring this idea, the message from you, our members, and from various organizations was very clear. You wanted more renewable energy options. You wanted clean, sustainable energy, and you want to be engaged in part of the solution. Well, we heard you, and today we're proud to say we delivered.